So turpentine oil flowing through the tube of length L and radius R. The pressure difference between the two ends of the tube is P. So let's consider this is the tube. Okay, in this tube, so this is the L is the length of the tube and R is the radius. The pressure difference between the ends of the tube, that is the pressure difference, is delta P is the pressure difference between the two. Sorry, P, not for delta P. P is the pressure difference between the two. The viscosity is given. This is the viscosity. Then V is the velocity of the oil at a distance x from the axis of the tube. Okay, so this is the oil, the distance is x. So then the dimensional formula for eta. So now eta is equal to, so P means pressure, it is given, P is the pressure. So the dimensional formula for pressure is equal to force by area, that is equal to ml T minus 2, mass into acceleration, then it is L square. So after the simplified, that is ml minus 1 T minus 2, that is the pressure. Then R is the what? Radius, distance. So now put the values. P value is m L minus 1 T minus 2. Then R square both are distance, that is L square. Then divided by 4 is a constant, velocity dimensional formula meter per second. Then length, it is a L. So the dimensional formula for eta is equal to m L to the power of minus 1 plus 2, 1, 1. So 1 plus 1, 2, minus 2. Then t to the power of minus 2. This is plus 1, that is minus 1. So the dimensional formula for eta, coefficient of viscosity, is given, that is m L to the power of minus 1 T to the power of minus 1. So which is the matching for this solution? m1 L minus 1 T minus 1, that is option D is the correct answer for this question. 1 centimeter on the main scale of the vernier scale is divided into 10 equal parts. So let's see the solution. This is the main scale. This is the main scale. So this is the vernier scale. This is the vernier scale. The vernier scale is divided into 10 equal parts. 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is a 10 equal part. If the 10 divisions on the vernier scale coincide with 8 small divisions on the main scale, so main scale, it is 8 division. So 8 division means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th division, this is 10. So usually general cases, the main scale, how it is made? This is the main scale, this is the vernier scale. The 9th division of the vernier scale is coincide with the 10th division of the main scale division. So this is the general case. Okay, in general case, in general, this is the structure of the vernier calipers. But in this problem, this is the 8th is coincide with the 10th division. So what is the least count of the vernier calipers? We know that the formula for least count is equal to 1 main scale division minus 1 vernier scale division. So this is the formula for least count. So now you have to put the value, that is the least count is equal to, so main scale division. So the main scale division, so 8, look at this one, 8 small divisions. So that is a one main scale reading is 1 minus, okay, 1 MSD minus 8 by 10 MSD. Okay, so then the final answer is equal to, the least count is equal to, so that is 10 minus 8 divided by 10. So that is the least count is equal to 2 by 10. This is in millimeter, because why 8 small divisions, okay, small divisions, so that is millimeter, but the answer is in centimeter. Okay, so then after the simplified we get, so 0.2 mm, millimeter. Then how to convert millimeter into centimeter? The least count is equal to 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 1 centimeter. So the final answer is 0.02 centimeter. So which option is to matching for this one? 0.02. That is the option B is a correct matching for this answer. Find the dimensional formula for gas constant. So P is the pressure, volume, number of moles, temperature. So the equation is PV is equal to nRT. So let's see the solution. So the equation is PV is equal to nRT. So then R is equal to PV divided by N into T. So this is called as equation number 1. So now one by one you have to find out. P means pressure. Pressure is equal to force by area. The dimension formula for force is M L T minus 2 divided by L square. So then after the simplified, the M L minus 1 T minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula for pressure. Then volume is L cube. Then so N, number of moles. Okay, N is the number of moles. Number of moles dimensional formula is mole. Then T is the temperature. Temperature dimensional formula is theta. So now put all the values. Okay, so put all the values on this equation. So then R is equal to, P dimensional formula is M L minus 1 T minus 2 into V is L cube, then divided by the dimensional formula for N is mole. Then the dimensional formula for temperature is theta. So now the gas constant is equal to M1 L, so minus 1 plus 3, that is minus 2 minus 2 t minus 2 t minus 2, that is per mole per theta. Okay, so this is the dimensional formula for gas constant. So after the solution, which is the answer is matching for this question. So m1 L minus 2, okay, not for plus 2, this is plus 2, okay, plus 2. So m1 L plus 2 t minus 2, okay, m1 L2, this option is not matching, m1 L2 t minus 1 t minus 2 theta minus 1 mole per minus 1, that is option B is the matching. So sorry, option D is the matching for this. So D is the correct answer for this question. Okay, next one, calculate angle subtended by the periphery area 1 centimeter square. So solid angle. So solid angle means, so let's take, this is the solid, okay, this is the solid, you have to angle. So this is the solid angle. The question is asked solid angle delta. So area of this one is 1 centimeter square. So saturated symmetrically at the distance of 5 centimeter. So at the distance of 5 centimeter symmetrically. So now the question is asked. So angle, solid angle. So solid angle is equal to area divided by r square. So then the solid angle delta. So the solid angle delta is equal to area. So area is 1 centimeter square divided by radius is 5 square centimeter square. So now that is 1 divided by 25. So that is the solid angle is equal to 0.04 steradian. So now the final answer is equal to 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 steradian. So which is the answer is matching for this one. Okay, so this is the option C is the matching for this one. Option C is the correct answer for this question. The value of the resistance is equal to 10.845 ohm and the current is equal to 3.23 ampere. So on multiplying we get potential difference. So potential difference 35.02935 volt. So now the question is asked the value of potential difference in terms of significant figures. Okay, so what is the value of this one with significant figures, the correct significant figure? Okay, so let's see, that is the V is equal to I into R. This is according to the what? Ohm's law. So now, so this is the accurate significant figure. The accurate significant figure is 3 because the current is 3. So the correct significant figure is 3 is the correct significant figure. So now the potential difference, the question is potential difference with in terms of current significant figure. So potential difference is given this much. Then the correct significant figure is 3 is the correct significant figure. 1, 2, then it is 0.3. So the correct potential difference with significant figure is equal to 35.0, three significant figures. So 35 volt, not 35.0. That is option B is the correct answer. This is not wrong. Okay, so that is the answer.